So guys, just to let you know, a little update. I'm outside the shop. Yes, we're still at the shop. We're going to be here late. Weather's starting to change. The rain stopped. It's gotten cooler. But I'm going to come up here to the Diamond to show you how everything's filling in right now. So the grilled pizza next door platform set up. Walk and Porta Johns are outside of the shop. The ice cream shop is set up. So we're coming up here, and as you can hear, they got the Diamond going with a little bit of the Eagles. People walking around already tonight. Everything kicks off about 10 p.m. tomorrow, but the town will be full by 7 a.m. So as you can see, everything's closed off. The streets are closed off. Everybody's setting up. All the food vendors now are setting up. This was the square earlier today. If you notice, there was a lot of traffic here, but as you can see, we got the crab cakes, we got some jumbo wings, fresh vegetable lollies. So I'm just going to walk around the Diamond real quick. The road's closed off, but yeah, totally different scene from earlier this morning. The town is now, the roads are closed, and everybody is now setting up all the tents and what have you not. So as we come up around here, I see they still got the road open over there for right now, but just this whole center of town right here is nothing but food vendors as we come in. It's a good looking van right there. So as we come in, all these guys. So anyways, oh, we got the I think they're gonna leave the fence up so people aren't on the grass tomorrow. So anyway, oh yeah, the fountain's still in, the fountain's back in. As you can see, the Diamond is now all lit up and ready to go. The sound system's going. So everybody just kind of wandering around. But as we go, clear up Market Street there. There's more food vendors there. So we got Gosia's Pierogies, one of my favorite places of all time. They do all kinds of pierogies, sweet potato pierogies, you name it, they do everything. So I'm gonna walk back down here. I'll take you back to the shop in a minute. I gotta say hello to somebody. Catch you later.